Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, what we are going to do, we are going to learn, actually we are going to do a previous year question which was asked in MAKAUT semester examination in 2019, and also we are going to start with pattern questions. This question was actually asked in semester examinations of MAKAUT or WBUT whatever in 2019. So it's actually pattern type question. Here is also pattern type question, as you can see. So that is the thing. Okay, so let's at first understand about this topic. Okay, so like about pre-incrementer, pre-decrementer, post-incrementer, and post-decrementer. So this is very important topic, as it will be used, or it is actually used in so many questions and in most of the questions, like in like all the questions. So that is the thing. Okay, so let me at first present it like that. Let's go to that question, and after that let's continue with it. Okay, I think it was before yeah. So what it's telling is that explain the concept of pre-incrementer, pre-decrementer, post-incrementer, and post-decrementer operators in C programming. Provide examples to demonstrate their usage and differences. So this question was asked in 2019. As you can see here, this is pre-incrementer. So there is a link with the name. Okay, so as you can see, this is pre-incrementer, means here it is written that the value of the variable is incremented first and then the updated value is used in the expression. Means previously it is incrementing, after that it's using somewhere. So that is the thing. As an example, you can see there is a number x equals to 5, and after that y equals to plus x, means what will be stored in y? Plus x, means pre-incrementer. We are incrementing previously, means 5 will at first will be incremented, means 6, it will become 6, and then it will be stored in y. So it means x becomes 6 and y is assigned 6. So that is the thing. After that, if we print that y variable, so it will be printed as 6. So okay, on the other hand, if I show you, just see the third point. Okay, just see the third point, post incrementer. Post means after something. Okay, post. So the current value of the variable is used in the expression first. At first it is used somewhere, then it is increased. Okay, and then the value is incremented. Okay, the syntax is actually x plus plus. Here x is representing the variable where the value is stored. As an example, here you can see inside the x variable the 5 is stored. On the next line, as you can see, there is another variable which is y, and there we have assigned x plus plus. What is representing? It's actually representing that y is at first assigned x, then x, the value of x is increased. Okay, so y at first assigned as 5, then x becomes 6. So that is the concept. Let's go to the code editor, and it will be easier to understand after that. Okay, so let's write a code for pre-incrementer. So simply let me at first refresh it. Let me close these tabs, these are not necessary. Okay, let's try with the pre and post incrementer. So at first I'm writing pre. Okay, pre incrementer. So let's at first write a variable. So x equal to, let's say this is 5, and int pre, let's make a variable pre. Inside it, what is the representation of pre incrementer? Pre means at first increasing, then storing the value. Okay, at first is increasing the value of that variable, then we are storing it. After that, let's write int post. Okay, which is storing the post incremental value. Okay, so like at first storing, then incrementing. So that is the thing. What they will print, like it will print if we do printf, and then percentage d, as it's a integer type number, and then if we print pre, and after that in the next line. Okay, So like let's go to the next line, and after let's print post. So what it will print? The first one will print the value of pre. Let's use a slash in here for the next line, and second one will print the value as like this is actually what is happening here. The value at first stored as post, okay, but the thing is happening here, whenever you will go for the execution, okay, real execution, then it will be more clear. For now, as you can see, x plus plus, okay, x plus plus means y is assigned 5 and x becomes 6. So let's go to the code editor and let's see what is the problem here actually. So at first we are assigning, okay, so the problem is here is that we are increasing the value of x, okay, in that line, and previously after increasing the value is here what, 6, and in the next line we are assigning the value of x, means what is happening here, actually 6 is storing, but after that the value of x is becoming 7. So that's why I was not able to show you. So let's at first comment it out, okay, at first comment it out, let's at first print the pre, okay, like post means at first 5 will be stored, then it will be increased. So let's run it. Okay, you can you see 5 is printed, but if I print, okay, if I print the value of x now, so what will happen, percentage d, let me write percentage d, and let's print the value of x after doing the uh, post incrementer. Okay, let's see. Yeah, actually I forgot to give a slash in here, that's why it's not in the next line. Now run it. It means at first it's printing the value 5, which is of post, and after that it's printing the updated value of x, which is actually pre-increment post incremented in this line. Okay, so that is the thing. Now what was happening previously is that let me just, okay, so actually in that line what is happening, at first we are storing the incremented value, means we are increasing the value of 5 in this pre-incrementer to 6, and 6 after that is stored in the pre-value. Now the value of x is 6, the updated value. Now 6 is coming here, okay, and it's like at first storing in the post incrementer, actually at first storing in the post variable, and then it is increasing. Why? Because it is post increment, as at first stores, at first used, they, after that the value changed. So that is the thing. Okay, so that's why in that place the value of post like the value of x will be 6. So like updated value is 6, so it will print 6. After that, here also at first previous value will be stored, and 6 will be stored, then it will be increased. So printed 6 will be printed, but updated value of x will be 7. Why? Because at first 6 will be stored, then after that value of x will be increased to 7. So after that if we print, okay, printf percentage d, let's print it in a in next line, and after that if we do pre, sorry, not pre, actually we are going to print the ultimate value of x. So here you will see 7, okay, 6, 6 and 7, as you can see. So that is the thing. Okay, so you I this is a homework for you, that to alter, okay, alter these things, like shift this thing to the upper part, shift this line number 8 to the lower part, and then print and do the alter things. Okay, then you will be able to understand the process. Now let's do some problems. Okay, uh, just you have to guess the output. So at first x plus plus, then plus, then plus plus x. What will be the output? Tell me what will be the output. Let's see what will be the output, then we'll I will give you the analysis. So we are going to print the value of C, means the final result. Okay, let's see. It's printing borrow, like actually 12. Okay, so why it's printing 12? 5. Here what is happening? Value of 5 is here. Okay, then it's increasing, means here the value is 5. After that it's increasing, means 6. Now in the whole part, in the like in this whole part, the value is 5. Okay, now due to post incrementer, the value will be increased to 6. Here the value will at first be used, actually at first be increased. Okay, means previous value after that, after this operation was 6. Now it will be increased to 7. So after that, like at first it will be increased, after that it will be stored here. Okay, so ultimately what is happening here? First value becomes 5 and next value becomes 7. Ultimately, what does it mean? It gives a result as 12. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, now let's alter it. Okay, let's alter it. So like there is plus, and after that let's say x minus minus. Let's learn about pre-decrementer and post-decrementer here using this. So what will happen? For the first expression, means x plus plus, value will be as it is 5. Okay, okay, at first let's see what will be the result, and then we'll analyze it. 19, value is coming out as 19. Let's say, let's see if it is like uh, working fine or not. After that the updated value is 6, and 6 will become 7 here, as it's is the pre-incrementer. So 7, and after that what we are doing, at first we are storing the value as 7, then we are decreasing it, means at first 7 will be stored. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 15 is 17, 18, 19. Yes, so ultimately it is 19. 19 is coming here. Okay, okay, now after that let's do another part here. Let's pre-decrement it. Okay, minus minus x. So what will happen? Everything will be same till that. After that, minus minus x means the last value of this, from this expression of x, was at first x was stored as 7. Okay, then decremented means x becomes 6, and when x is coming here, it is coming as 6. Now what operation is happening here? Minus minus x is, at first 6 will be decreased, means from 6 it will be decreased to 5, then it is used here. So here it should it should be calculated as 5, and the total amount is like let's add another 5, so 14 and 24. Okay, so it should print 24. Let's see if it's printing 24. Yes, it's printing 24. Okay, so you can alter this expression and see the outputs. From those things actually questions occurs. I will give you some tricky questions. Just try to solve them. Just go to the description and check out PDF link or like document link, and from there you will find solution along with questions uh, for from the part pre-incrementer, pre-decrementer, okay, and post-incrementer, post-decrementer. So that was the concept actually. Just go and check it out. Check the notes from uh, comment section and read it out once and try to solve this question. If you face any problem, just let me know. And definitely we'll be doing some questions, previous year questions based on that already we have done it, like the conceptual part. Like this question itself was asked in 2019 MAKAUT examination. Okay, so and we have done it. Okay, you can just read this notes out, and that's all. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next video we are going to solve pattern problems. Okay, pattern printing problems. Just explore the things by yourself. Okay, it will be very beneficial if you alter those things. Okay, and check the outputs by calculating those things. Okay, so that is the thing. Here I have written summary that pre-incrementer and pre-decrementer modifies the variable before using its value, and post-incrementer and post-decrementer use the variable's value first, then modify it. Definitely. These operators are commonly used in loops, definitely in the for loop x++ we use, and conditional statement and expressions where concise and efficient code is required. Okay, let me show you equivalent things, like if I write here x++ and if I write x equals to x plus 1, these are equivalent. Okay, so that is the thing. Sorry, here will be 1. So in some cases these are equivalent, so you can use these things accordingly. Actually it's increasing the value, at first storing the value, then increasing the value. So whatever. Okay, so that is the thing. That's for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and keep supporting and subscribe the channel.